Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Beeler here with another beauty to show you today. This is our specialty, only the finest pre-owned Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. So today, I've got a beauty to tell you about. She's a 2001 A36 low time. Lots to love here, so let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower special edition engine, folks. Only 715 hours, only 715 on the engine airframe, and beautiful hot prop since new. She's a beauty, and an airplane this nice, so well maintained, so well pampered, you're going to want to fly her places and show her off. 74 gallons of usable fuel. You should know the Wing Spar AD does not apply to this particular aircraft. The exterior of this A36 is in beautiful condition. Matterhorn white with gray and red striping with silver swoosh in gorgeous condition. Only 715 hours total time on the airframe since new. So let's talk about the interior. So easy to get in and out. We love the large double cargo doors. Now, you can move the seats around, you know they're versatile. Right now they're set up in the club seating configuration, but we can change that so easily. Let's say everybody all wants to sit forward, or perhaps we even want to remove a seat. Don't need any tools for that. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, remove it, and we're good to go. As beautiful as she is on the outside, check out the inside in excellent condition. Beautiful gray leather seats, gorgeous gray carpet. It's even personalized. We have a gorgeous executive writing desk, beautiful headliner, shoulder harnesses for everybody, and a 6-place intercom system plus factory air conditioning. You will love the avionics package. Garmin 750 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your number 2 is a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your transponder is a Garmin GTN 345 with ADS-B in and out and traffic. We have a King slaved HSI system. Your Autopilot is a King KFC 225 Autopilot with altitude Preselect and vertical speed select. You'll also enjoy a storm scope, sky active traffic, yaw damp, GPSS steering, and more. Other features you will appreciate: co-pilot braking system, factory tuned fuel injectors, USB ports on the panel, JPI EDM engine monitor fuel flow, 6-place intercom system, 6-place shoulder harnesses, factory air conditioning, and more. So folks, this 2001 A36, she's looking for a new home. Beautiful paint, beautiful interior, upgraded avionics, and low time. Folks, only 715 hours on the engine, airframe, and prop since new. So if you do the math, she's a 21-year-old airplane, 715 hours, works out to about 34 hours average a year flight time. Yeah, she's low time, so she's very popular. She's gonna fly away soon. If you're interested, give us a call right away. Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We've got the logbooks, great maintenance. Don't hesitate. We're Carolina Aircraft. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We would love to meet you. I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.